In this short tutorial, I will show you how to make your iPhone vibrate when it's in silent mode. Sometimes you may want to keep your phone on silent but still be alerted of incoming calls or notifications through vibration. This feature can be useful in situations where you need to keep noise levels down or when you're in a meeting. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit and tap Sounds and Haptics. After that, tap Haptics. To make your iPhone vibrate when it's in silent mode, tap and select Play in Silent Mode option. Now, whenever your iPhone is set to silent mode, it will vibrate when you receive a call or notification. This feature allows you to stay aware of incoming alerts without disturbing others around you with loud sounds. If this method doesn't work for you and your device does not vibrate when you receive a call or notification in silent mode, you need to enable haptics in the notification settings as well. To do that, go back and tap Notifications. And then find the specific app that you want to enable haptics in. For example, let's find the Messages app. Tap on it. Then tap Sounds. Tap Haptics. As you can see, haptics are set to none, which is why your device doesn't vibrate when it receives messages. To fix that, select one of the standard haptic styles. You can also do the same thing for the phone app. Go back. Scroll down a bit. And tap Phone. Tap Sounds. Then tap Haptics. And then select one of the standard haptic styles. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.